My favorite thing about campus is the nature around UWGB. I really just like being close to the water, and the trails is really nice. There's also just so many green spaces for you to kind of study, hang out with friends.
I get to go outside and touch grass and see a turkey.
My favorite things about campus is all the events and activities.
So campus fun, definitely GB Nites.
It's basically where they turn the whole union into some sort of theme, like laser tag, Disney karaoke,
face painting, there might be bouncy houses. And another thing that I love going to is the open mic nights. Students can go up on stage and play piano or guitar or sing.
My favorite activity to do on campus is bingo.
I absolutely love bingo.
It's really competitive and everyone gets really into it, and the community is just so much fun. Everyone's laughing and having a great time.
There's so many different student orgs here, and that's how you can find your community and build relationships with people where you share values. Those student orgs then hold events and you can go to those.
You have an instrument you want to play, join the Pep Band. It's really fun.
Like to go to the sporting events and do intramural sports, be in the basketball and volleyball intramurals. I also love to go on the trips with the UREC Outdoors program.
Esports Lounge is just a huge opportunity for people to be able to come in and play games.
And just have a good time.
UW Green Bay is super LGBTQ friendly, which was really important to me.
I go to the Multicultural Resource Center a lot. There's always someone there to support you and there to help you.
I feel like a learning curve that I had to overcome as a first-gen student was that it's okay to ask for help.
I've had the same advisor throughout my time here at UWGB, and I sign up with a meeting for her every semester because it just helps me maintain the right track. UWGB really wants to see its students succeed, and they set you up for success.